Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a content approval app using Notion step by step clearly. Open your Notion workspace. Create a new page for your content approval app. Select database from the options provided. Choose table to create a new database. Rename your table to content approval. Add relevant columns, starting with content title. Include a column for content description. Create a status column with select options, pending, approved, and rejected. Add a reviewer column for assigning team members. Include a due date column for deadline tracking. Customize the status options for clarity if needed. Now, insert a property for feedback as a text column. Next, create a submission date column to track when content is submitted. Set up a filter to view only pending items first. Create a view titled Review Queue for easy access. Invite team members to collaborate on this page. Ensure each reviewer understands how to change the status. After approving or rejecting, reviewers should provide feedback in the designated column. Check regularly to maintain the workflow's efficiency. Adjust column types or views based on team feedback and usage. Document any changes made for future reference. Finally, share the app link with your team for easy access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.